Welcome to the Market Minute. Nifty, Bank Nifty, and SENSEX in a minute. Let's go to the charts.
For daily analysis, we'll be looking at only two time frames, which is daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's start with Nifty first. We are on the daily chart. As we can see, Nifty has closed around 23,257. So it has taken a rejection from bottom, which was 23,100, and then tried to close above the resistance we had, which was 23,250. So on the daily, it is basically trying to take rejection from the bottom. But let's see how it is looking on the 4 hours chart. So on the 4 hours chart, interesting to note would be the price is still below 9 EMA. So I wouldn't still call this as strong, like bullish, but there is a clear higher high formation. So if this candle's low gets broken, then basically it means that we are again heading back to 23,100 and 23,000 levels. But I would call this bullish if a 4-hour candle closes decisively above 23,420, and then from there I would expect upside of around until 23,750 levels. Now let's take a look at the option chain data for Nifty. So I've considered two expiries, 16th of June and 23rd of June. So as we can see clearly, put writing has increased on 23,200 level because the earlier resistance we had of 23,250 was broken, and hence that level is acting as a support now. So 23,200 would be the support, the larger one. But then if that gets broken, the only support we have afterwards is 23,000. And on the call side, basically there's heavy call writing on 23,500 and then 23,400. Basically, on the charts, we have seen 23,420 is the resistance. And if that gets broken, so we can expect the market to move higher from there. Okay, and now let's talk about Bank Nifty. So we are on the daily chart, and let me zoom out. So clearly, Bank Nifty is looking little stronger than Nifty. This we have been saying this since Monday. Uh, Basically, when we did the analysis for the week, the only reason being this it was a simple reason being that the the candle that closed the last Friday was above 9 EMA, and that's where we considered Bank Nifty to be stronger. And if you look Nifty during the same time, if I go on the 4 hours chart, basically there was no candle that closed above 9 EMA, and hence we considered Nifty to be weak. But anyways, let's move to Bank Nifty. So on the daily chart, it clearly is a bullish candle, but I wouldn't really jump because the market structure is kind of changing, but it is still not confirmed. Like it was lower lows, and then it has consolidated, and it is trying to become higher lows, right? But again, I'm expecting maybe I might be wrong, but Bank Nifty might come back, take support at 54,500 levels, and then go back from there, breaking 55,550 levels. And that would basically turn the market structure to bullish from lower lows to basically higher lows. So that's the analysis on the daily. But let me go to 4 hours. So on the 4 hours chart, so this is bullish, but again, as we said, this the same logic. The market structure has to change from lower lows to lower highs. Basically, that happens after 55,550 level is broken. So let's keep an eye, and I would add more weight if it comes around 54,550. Basically, comes within this box and then again breaks out from here, and that would basically indicate we are seeing buying from this support, and there would be high chances that 55,500 gets broken, and then we go about touching 57,500. So that's on the charts, but let's look at the option chain. So I've considered June, basically Bank Nifty being only available for monthly expiries. So as we can clearly see, there's not much activity on Bank Nifty when compared to Nifty because it only has monthly expiries. But we can clearly see there is a kind of almost equal amount of call rating and put rating at 55,000 levels, and the market is now currently around 55,200. So on the lower side, we see both call rating and put rating. On the higher side, we see both call rating and put rating. So basically, I think this is where maybe 1 to 2 sessions of sideways movement within 54,500 and 55,500, and then from there we can see a decisive move if either gets broken.
If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update.